All right, our last identity we have on here is the multiplicative inverses, okay? AKA, this is the street name, reciprocals. I have no clue if I spelled reciprocals right. Teacher or mom or parent or whoever's in the room with you helping you or watching you, hopefully you're being supervised. This is YouTube. Don't run free-range chicken on me. Make sure I spelled that right. Multiplicative inverses, aka reciprocals, okay? Later on you're going to hear the term opposite reciprocal. You'll get to it, okay? I don't want to jump the gun, but you can check out my videos. Okay. Hey, you know what you should do? Just subscribe to my channel. That'd be a lot easier, and then you wouldn't miss anything. Okay. Sorry. Self-promotion, like midway through the video. You've definitely already checked out. Multiplicative inverses, aka reciprocals, okay? Now, reciprocal means that you're switching it, you're flipping it, okay? What we want are multiplicative inverses. We want them to be essentially exact opposites of each other. A lot of times when you think of 8, you think of the opposite of that being, you know, -8 or something like that. It's not. With this one, you will have, here's the formula, A over B times B over A. Essentially what you do is you flip them, okay? Like that. And that makes it the multiplicative inverse. So if I wanted the multiplicative inverses of A over B, it would be B over A. And the reason is when I multiply those, I get A times B, because multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. Those are the same things. What I know anything divided by itself is going to be 1. Okay? Multiplicative inverses, aka reciprocals, always multiply to equal 1. All right? Because they're just the flip of each other. So for instance, let's say you had 7. Okay, and we want to find the multiplicative inverse of that. What do I know that number is always over? 1, because 7 divided by 1 is still going to be 7. Not changing it, just changing what it looks like. And then the flip of that would be 1 over 7. Multiply across, that's 7. Multiply across, that's 7. What's 7 divided by 7? 1. That's the multiplicative inverse. Okay? And that's all of our identities. Okay? Checkbox. Okay? That looks ugly. Don't like it. Don't like it. Scratch it. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Multiplicative inverses. Cool stuff.
Hello. Thank you for coming to Tarver Academy. Please subscribe, maybe